Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 12. Get ready for the dictation. Start. I have no doubt they will learn by experience, but if any of you feel that you are better equipped, I have already told you how to secure the removal of the ministry. But Gundism cannot and will not be allowed to prevail. I sincerely tell you that we cannot afford it when we have such delicate tasks to fulfill. The country is saved from fragmentation by the accession of states. Otherwise, a Rajasthan would have been something worse than Pakistan. There is all-round scarcity of customer goods. The moral is plain. You should have patience so that these stupendous responsibilities could be satisfactorily discharged by the central and provincial governments. You have been slaves for 200 years. Now that your own men are in office, why can't you have patience for a few years? Instead, we have the sickening spectacle of a so-called token one-day strike by labor in Bombay after their representatives had subscribed to 3 years of non-strike truce. And what for was the strike organized? Admittedly, to show that leadership of labor is with the organizers. This is sheer nonsense. Holidays with pay are always welcome to anyone. A strike of this kind, which does not involve loss of wages, cannot therefore show with whom the leadership lies. Calcutta has had a taste of a general strike once. I hope you have not forgotten its lesson, and in all humility I ask you to avoid its reputation. I have been blamed that I am a friend of Rajas, capitalists and Jamidars, but I claim to be a friend of labor and the poor as well. Since I have followed Gandhiji, I have resolved not to own any property, and I have none. But like Gandhiji, I want to make the capitalists also understand which way their true duty lies. I cannot succumb to the prevalent fashion to pose as leader or to attempt to gain leadership by abusing princes, capitalists, etc. without rhyme or reason. Many said some time ago that by bringing in princes I had harmed the cause of the people, but they were not prepared for the merger of 40 states into a neighboring province in 2 days, nor did they seem to realize the elementary fact that if princes wish to exist, they cannot do so without the people. Stop.